Okay, live from beautiful city The Hague, Den Haag. Hello everybody, I'm Little Lion's mom. Today we will going to do one of our spring project. It's a butterfly farm because my son is not yet 3 and his preschool is not doing any of this kind of science project. So I just followed the advice of other mom and ordered this butterfly package by myself. So I think this is the name of the organization. It's in Dutch. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce. Let's see. It is a very nice organization, and this package can only be sent to either the Netherlands or Belgium. It cost close to 30 euros. I don't know how much dollar it will be. I guess it could be $40. It's not so expensive, and you can choose the date that your butterfly package to be delivered, and you have to be at home because these babies have to be taken care of from day one. Sorry about my accent. Okay, so how to raise your own butterfly? Number one, you have to have a container. I used aquarium, and your container need to be at least 30 centimeters multiply 30 centimeters and 45 centimeters in order to give the butterfly enough space to fly. I think, sorry, it's my baby. In inches is 12 inches multiply 12 inches multiply 18 inches. Okay, and then you have to put some paper towels in. This is easier to clean. Okay, let's see. What do we got here? Okay, first is the tray. You can see we already have a lot of caterpillars. Do you see? Yeah. And the dark green thingy is their jobs. Okay, what else? In this we have cocoon and eggs, I believe. We'll go back to it. Okay, and they do have some instructions. I hope I can understand Dutch, but don't worry. Because of Google Translator, I translate a few already. So first, you need leaves, cabbage leaves. Well, this is what I have at home, Spanish. Let's see, fresh one. Let's just put it here. Okay. Do you have any big leaves, please? Except the 3 years old, I also have a 6-month-old. Now she is very curious about what I'm doing here. Not easy, period. Yikes, yikes. On the fresh leaf. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back. Well, that is the ordeal. Look, how many little caterpillars are there? Now they are all gone, and I double checked. There are no additional eggs. At the beginning, you know, there are few down there. I thought they're dead, but actually they're not. They're just lazy. And okay, so with the letter, there is another container. Let's open it. I took a peek already. Gentle. Wow! So those are the eggs. Those are the eggs. Did you see the yellow thing? And those are cocoon. Cocoon. Okay. I hope my pronunciation is correct. Okay, let's compare. This is a normal Q-tip. These are the cocoon. Okay, so for eggs, pick it out gently. Yay. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Okay, wait a minute, please. It's just there are some cottons got stuck in the leaves. Okay, and then I put them on the new leaves. Let us to make like a leaf castle. Maybe here. So once the caterpillar hatched, they will have enough food, fresh food. Okay, so again on the website they said any cabbage is fine. So what I have in my fridge is just the spinach and this. Okay, well, let's see whether it will work. Okay, so now how to deal with cocoon. Based on the instruction, first you put another layer of dry kitchen tissue inside, or dry piece of cloth, and then can I use my hand? I guess I did already. Look. Oh God, I feel like this one is almost out. Yay! Put them here. 1, 2. Okay, so about this organization, it seems like their purpose is to help and protect the butterflies and the dragonflies in the Netherlands. Oh, somehow I don't dare touch them anymore. I feel like they're hatching already. Okay, be brave, you're a mom. Yay! Yay! Are they moving? I guess they're not. So I think the name of this kind of butterfly is maybe white butterfly. Okay, no. Are they? Were they? No, they were not moving. Oh, they are. Okay, anyway, now I'm nervous. Sorry, I will be gentle. Yay! 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 Whew. I'm sweating already. And then you put how to say this, a branch. This is a branch from the cherry tree. You put it along the wall of your little farm. So once the butterflies come out, they can stand on it and dry their wings. Okay, so this is day 1. Okay, let's see. Eggs, caterpillars, and then cocoon, and then they will come out and become a beautiful butterfly. And then they say once they become butterfly, you can release them, or you can keep them in your farm for a while until they lay eggs again. And you can just give them a sponge with sugar or with honey. Don't forget to replace them, otherwise it will get nasty. And so yes, they eat on sugars. Let's just take another look. So what do we have? We have eggs, loads of caterpillars, and cocoon. Did I replace them correctly? Just double check. I guess yes. Well, just in case if they get hungry. A piece of leaf for the cocoon. Alrighty, this is day 1 of Little Lion's Butterfly Farm. My next project is find a cover for the container. You know, actually I did before. I wanted to use this. Well, but I have to be honest, I didn't think the caterpillar is this small. Okay, so what I will do maybe later, I will just run to the grocery stores and get some, you know, the medical supply, this kind of net thing, and we will see. Okay, guess see you soon, maybe tomorrow, maybe some other day, it depends. Okay, bye bye. Say bye to the beautiful The Hague in the Netherlands.